Welcome to the new moon meditation. Important one seems to be a solar eclipse and the fall equinox. This meditation is extremely important, so I hope you remain to do the meditation with us because today we are entering the world of imagination in the reality of the soul realm. Welcome to this month's new moon color and light meditation brought to you by Sollite Integrative Medicine. Integration of body, mind, and spirit through the field of bioscience enables us to remain calm and gives us access to divine guidance. For those that are following along with the energetic manifestation program, this is the power center of imagination. So let's start our meditation. Allow yourself to find a very comfortable place. Maybe you prefer sitting with your spine straight on a cushion on the floor or in a chair, or you might prefer to lie down. Just make sure you feel comfortable and supported by what is beneath you. And we're going to start the meditation with 3 inhalations and exhalations, which helps us to become more receptive, relaxed, and ready to receive signals in the nervous system for the mind and the body to just become still. Inhale fully through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Really fill up your whole body, your whole torso, and exhale. One last time, controlled breathing. Inhale fully. Fill your whole body from top of your head to your toes, all the way front and back, side to side, and exhale. Exhale every last breath. Give yourself a moment of emptiness before you just begin again to breathe normally without any thinking about it. And just become present with what you sense in your body and in your surroundings, both within you and around you. Become aware of the stillness that is deep within the background of all the noise that might be in the foreground. Let the noise dissipate. Your thoughts just gently pass by like clouds floating by in the sky. And look behind the clouds to the clear blue sky, the stillness that lies within that calm sky and within yourself. Naturally, just merge within that stillness without any effort. Let go and let God greet you in this moment effortlessly. The new moon is about planting our seeds in a dark void. The dark matter is where creation occurs. So, with your intent, create a spark of light with your intentions into this void. With this awareness in mind, let's plant our seeds, guided by our soul realm, but by the power center of imagination. Imagination is located between your eyes. Some of you know that as your third eye, right between your eyebrows. It is represented by the Apostle Bartholomew, and the color is light blue or sky blue. The soul communicates through the abstract ideas and images in a world of imagination. Now follow this meditation carefully. We're going to connect points. Let's enter the soul realm. Starting with the mind, focus on that point between your eyebrows, your third eye. Just relax into it. See what it feels like. See what images you get. See what it feels like on your forehead there. Does it feel warm or stimulating or a sensation like itchiness? Whatever you're feeling, we're feeling with our sense perception. You're just becoming aware of that focal point. Your third eye, right between your eyebrows. Sense what you sense. Now we're going to create a linear line from that forehead point straight back into the back of your head. But we're going to stop midway in between into the middle of the head. So connect the third eye, go to your midbrain, and connect a point there in the middle of your head. For those of you that are therapists or professionally intelligent with some wisdom about the medical field, this is the cranial sacral fourth ventricle point. It is where the cerebrospinal fluid fills and empties in our bodies, filling in the middle of the head and then traveling down through the spine, and then being that it's a circulating semi-closed hydraulic system, it then empties back into the middle of the head and recycles. Feel that. It's a fountain. It's a fountain of fluid, and it's also a fountain of light, of energy. We're going to come back to this point. Now continue the linear line. It's a straight line from the front of your forehead to the back of your head. You're connecting now with an energy center called the Alta Major. It is how you connect to your inner wisdom, your divine guidance. That also travels down through the spinal column energetically. Now see that linear line you created in your head. That is now going to be the base of a triangle that we're going to now connect the body to. The top of that triangle point will be the connection to your heart center. The heart now will be the top point of the inverted triangle. Get a sense for what that feels like. Imagine it. Feel it. Now we're going to form one more line, a vertical line, from the heart straight up to the top of the head and beyond into your energy center, connecting to your soul. Link that point of your heart, top of the triangle. Create a straight energetic line to the middle of the midpoint of your brain. Remember, cranial, ventricle, fourth ventricle, midbrain. Now go straight up through the top of your head into your energy field, about 6 to 9 inches, and connect to a light of your soul. Heart, midbrain, and soul. You've now created 2 lines, one horizontal, front of your forehead, back of your head, one vertical from your heart straight up to the top of your head. There's a point in the middle. If you imagine these 2 lines, it formulates an image of a cross. The point in the middle is that cranial fourth ventricle, midbrain area in the middle of your head. I want you to focus on that point in the middle of the cross, in the middle of your head, cranial fourth ventricle, because this is where energy and consciousness meet, awareness. And awareness in itself is curative and healing. Awareness itself is curative and healing. With your own feeling, sense, perception, witness what comes into your awareness and where it calls your attention, inside your body and outside around your body in the energy fields. Take a moment to do that. What is your soul in the world of imagination showing you? This is your divine wisdom connecting and talking to you. Here we explore new depths within ourselves, and we also find new treasures, new jewels within ourselves. Imagination empowers the mind and transforms our dreams into reality. If I can see it in my mind, I can experience it in my life. If you can see it in your mind, you can experience it in your life. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Allow yourself to integrate all that was given, transmitted to you energetically. Your body and your mind has received the transmission. Those of you that are not doing the energetic manifestation program presently and want to follow along, you can find that at sollite.com/EMP. If you're interested in knowing more about the 12 power centers, which is the basis of the EMP program, details at sollite.com, 12 powers. Thank you. And welcome to the world of imagination. Welcome to your own soul light. Sollite.com, Sollite. Thank you.